Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use APAAR ID in DigiLocker. First, ensure you have a registered DigiLocker account and your mobile number is linked to your academic records. The APAAR ID, or Automated Permanent Academic Account Registry, is a unique student identifier, streamlining all your educational journey records. DigiLocker provides a secure, convenient space to store and manage these important documents. Connecting your APAAR ID here means your academic achievements are always accessible and readily available for verification. To link your APAAR ID, first, open the DigiLocker application or website on your device. Log in securely using your registered mobile number and the one-time password, or your Aadhaar number. Once inside, locate the education category or use the search bar to find APAAR ID. You will then see options to either create a new APAAR ID by providing your details or link an existing one by entering your assigned APAAR number. Carefully follow these simple, guided steps to complete the linking process. Once your APAAR ID is successfully linked, you can effortlessly access your educational documents. Go to the Issued Documents section within DigiLocker to find your certificates, mark sheets, and degrees. These documents are directly fetched from official academic institutions, ensuring their authenticity and integrity. DigiLocker also offers a built-in verification service, allowing you to confirm the genuineness of any document with a quick tap. This feature provides peace of mind, knowing your records are legitimate and secure. Sharing your educational credentials becomes incredibly secure and efficient with DigiLocker and APAAR ID. When you need to provide a document to a university, employer, or any other institution, simply select the specific document from your Issued Documents section. Then, choose the Share option. You can generate a secure link or a QR code that provides temporary, verifiable access to your document, eliminating the need for physical copies. This method ensures your data remains protected and is only viewed by authorized parties.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.